everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. Guess what? It's raining again in BC. Huh. So everybody's staying safe, and I have a Hudson Bay haul. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, got a few items from Hudson Bay. We got a Cuisinart Deluxe Stainless Steel Can Opener. So it looks like that. Pretty cool. Our other one, the pin keeps falling out of it. So we got that. Alright, so look forward to using that. We got another bag here. Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay is only in Canada, so got a receipt. Got some samples. So looking forward to that. So that's pretty cool. This is Gentleman Givenchy for Ted. This smells really good, so definitely recommend that. And I'm gonna try Gucci Flora Gardenia. So it's about a third of the price of Chanel. So maybe I will be getting a Chanel Gardenia maybe for Christmas. So we'll see. But I'm looking forward to using this. So if anybody has used this, leave your comments below. And leave your comments below if you have any requests or you have any favorite perfume that you could recommend. So I always like to try new perfumes. So this is a new one for me. So it's Gucci Flora Gardenia. So I can't wait to use it, and it's in the 100 ml size. Alright, so if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, give me some requests, all that fun stuff, because once I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a hard to find Disney Loungefly mini backpack. So that I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and all you have to do is subscribe. So it's pretty simple. Don't want to make it too hard. And you can also follow me at Susan Senior Style on Instagram, which I post pictures mostly every day. Alright, and the bag that I'm using for the rainy weather is my Laura tote in the gold metallic with gold hardware. And this little piece here is pretty cool. This is from Fendi. And this is back in the day when they used this as a phone case when the phones were smaller. But I just use it for like lipstick or extra cards or whatever. And this is the handmade style from Fendi. They still make handmade bags that you can get customized. So if you're looking for a customized bag and you want to get a bag from Fendi, I highly recommend giving them a call and see if they could help you out. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.